Hey, what's going on? So I personally use SinoGut, and in this review, I'm going to be walking you through the SinoGut scheme that might make you lose money and basically how you can avoid falling for this scheme like I did. So after I walk you through the scheme, how it works, how you can avoid it, then I'll actually walk you through my personal experience using SinoGut, the good things about it, and also some of the bad things so you can know both and weigh out the pros and cons. And then you'll be able to make an informed decision whether or not you want to go for SinoGut or not. So let's get to this review. I'm going to start by walking you through what the scheme is and how to avoid it. So the scheme I'm talking about works in such a way that there are really smart people out there who know what SinoGut is, and they know it's a supplement to improve your digestion. They know it's really popular. It's taking off on the internet by storm. It's getting popular these days. So what these guys will do, what they've done out there, is they go ahead and copy and clone the SinoGut website. It looks exactly like the official SinoGut website. It's hard to tell. But unfortunately, what these guys do with their websites is they take your payment information and then they use it to make as many withdrawals as possible. So without ever sending you the product. So you lose your money, you don't get the product. There's not as official company that owns a SinoGut supplement. Isn't that nuts? They take it, you lose all of your money, you don't get it. So to avoid that, I put the official link for the SinoGut website in the description below so you can get it. That's where I got my SinoGut bottles from, and yes, I want to make sure you actually get to the official website. If you don't have this experience, click the link in the description below. That way, be 100% sure that you're safe, that you're actually going to get the product. And that's the scheme I was mainly talking about. So now, out of the way, let me walk you through my personal experience using SinoGut, and you can decide whether or not SinoGut is something that you'd want or maybe not. So first of all, I heard about SinoGut from Facebook, and I thought it was quite convincing. I thought, hey, I'll give it a try. I was having trouble in terms of digestion, getting bloated, and gut problems, but I was a little bit skeptical and I wanted to know more. So I did some searching on Google, and I saw a 50% discount on the same SinoGut supplement. I couldn't stop myself. I just went and made a payment. I was shocked to see what happened. As you know, I told you about, the website charged me a sum of $300 3 times. That was everything I had in my account, and I freaked out. It took me a couple of weeks to figure out what the heck happened. And after doing all the research, I found the actual legit SinoGut website, ordered my 6 bottles of SinoGut, and about the results, I got to keep everything, just to keep everything short. It was something I didn't expect at all. Only after using it for the first week was I able to see visible results. And after using SinoGut for 5 to 6 weeks consistently, my bowel movements are just like they were in my teenage years. And that's actually crazy to think it's the way it was. Being in my 30s, SinoGut worked for me. So yes, SinoGut works. You should make sure that you're going through the legit website. So now I've walked you through my personal experience. As I promised, I'll walk you through the good and the bad sides of SinoGut. So here are some of the pros and cons that I faced per my experience using SinoGut. Before that, make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment. No more scams in this video so this can reach more people. So I'm going to start with the pros. The first thing that I'll mention about SinoGut is that it actually works and does provide results. You and I both know, let's face it, that there's a lot of products, there's a lot of supplements out there that just don't work. They offer something, but they just don't work. SinoGut actually works. And the third thing I really love about SinoGut is I did not have to drop most of the food I was eating. And that's something very rare to find. The third thing I would love to mention is that SinoGut comes with a 100% no question asked money back guarantee. And the fact that they have this money back guarantee available makes it risk-free for people like you and me. Because we can just give it a go, we can just try it, get our money back if it doesn't work. And the fourth pro that I really liked is it's approved by the FDA, which stands for the Food and Drug Administration. So you know it's legit. And that's it for the pros. The only thing that has pros has cons. So the first con I found about SinoGut is it's usually out of stock. It's almost like 10 to 15 days out of stock in a month. That's something SinoGut should really do something about. Another con you have is there's a lot of cloned websites, as I talked about, that'll cheat you. But that's actually kind of a pro for you now you're watching this video, because now you have access to to 100% legit SinoGut website link that I've given in the description. So now it's left for you to weigh out the pros and cons, decide whether or not you'd like to use it or not if you're interested in SinoGut. But to conclude this video, I would strongly recommend anyone who's looking to get SinoGut, just go ahead and do it, because it worked for me personally. And I don't know why it shouldn't work for other people. So check SinoGut in the description below. And guys, don't forget to leave a like, also comment, no more scams, so other people looking for SinoGut will find this video and then they'll save their money. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.